Hello everyone, this is my 18th of Hexapod Robot. It is an open source project and you can find all the details on the Make Your Pet GitHub page. During this video, let's take a look at some of the amazing things this Hexapod can do. For an average person, building something like this may seem impossible, but through this video series, I will explain everything step by step so that even a beginner can build one successfully. The most important part is that I will show you how to build it using affordable MG996R cheap servo motors. All the chassis part of this Hexapod can be fully 3D printed. It is also controlled using an Android app. For this setup, you will need two Android mobile phones, one connected to the Hexapod and the other used as the controller. Both devices communicate with each other through Wi-Fi. There are many more features and abilities this Hexapod has, and I will show them in part 2. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. If you found this video useful, please share it with others as well. See you in the next part. Good luck and thanks for watching.